Hello, everyone. Welcome to this exciting webinar. My name is Rad, as you all know, and I welcome you all today. So this exciting webinar is based on creating a print-on-demand marketplace with Dokan. Before starting on, the holiday season is going, and I would like to wish you all a great holiday in upcoming days. So as you all know, Dokan is your favorite multi-vendor marketplace solution, and it has been empowering over 50,000 entrepreneurs over the world. So in this session, we're going to cover the print-on-demand marketplace creation with Dokan, and it will be featuring our latest integration with Printful. So thank you for taking the time for joining us today. So whether you're a seasonal entrepreneur or just starting your business and looking to start your marketplace or an e-commerce business, so this is your opportunity to know about print-on-demand marketplace, and it has a great market. So as you all know, the e-commerce world is evolving rapidly. So we're going to cover all the sessions, all the topics here. And today I have a special guest with me, and this is his first webinar. So let us welcome Yasin Arafat.
Hello,
Hello,
Yasin.
Yasin. How are you?
Hi, Rad. Thank you for inviting me today. And hi, everyone. I'm Yasin Arafat, working as a digital sales specialist at Vidivs. Today, I'll try to cover up all the topic about the Printful integration of Dokan plugin.
So thank you, Yasin, for your intro. So as I was saying, Yasin is going to help us today to actually explore the features. So as you all know that e-commerce world is evolving rapidly, and print on demand is one of the most promising business models to emerge in recent years. So this innovation approaches actually allows you to sell customized product without holding any inventory, reducing the overhead cost and minimizing the risk, while you're still embedding and to offer your unique personal items and you can offer them to your customer. So at Dokan, we always strive to empower businesses by providing tools that simplify complex processes. And as you all know that if you are a business owner, you're gonna need some inventories, you're gonna need some designers, and you're gonna need some more suitable things to actually sell print on demand related product. So we have done a great integration with Printful that allows you to sell Printful products to your marketplace so you can offer custom products to your customers. So let's not waste our time. Today we'll explore the importance of print on demand marketplace and demonstrate how and how you can do the print on demand marketplace, create print on demand marketplace, and we'll kickstart this journey with Yasin Arafat. I'd like to say him that please start the demonstration so our audience can understand how they can do with Dokan.
Thanks, Rad, for giving me the floor. Let me share my screen.
Oh yes, before starting, I would like to say if you guys have any questions, please let us know in the comment. We'd like to answer them all. Thank you.
Let me know, please, if my screen, you can see my screen. Thank you. So basically, Printful is a module that actually allows your vendor to connect their vendor dashboard with the Printful site, so that they can create product from the Printful dashboard, and those will be automatically created in the vendor dashboard. Okay. To go with, we need to enable the Printful module from Dokan. So let's go to the Dokan, then click on modules. we'll need to enable the Printful module from here, okay? So you can go over here to search the Printful, or you can actually search here, PRI, then actually the Printful module is already enabled here. Okay, so now we'll need to go to check out the setting of the Printful module. To do so, we'll go to the settings of Dokan. Then you can see we are in the settings of Printful module. Now you can see we are getting two warning messages from the setting page. First, to enable Printful correctly, assign shipping fee recipient and the shipping tax fee recipient to individual vendors, so that actually vendor can handle all the shipping related stuff from their vendor dashboard. That's why we need to enable the shipping fee recipient to vendor, not the admin. Okay, so if we click here, we can see the shipping fee recipient is now selected to admin. We need to just select it vendor. Okay, so if we click vendor and then click on save settings, then if we go to the Printful again, we can see the first notice has gone. Now we need to check out the second notice, and that is we need to set the Printful supported store currency. Okay, so you can see all the available currency from here, that USD, EUR, GBP, CAD, JPY. All these are the default currency that's supported by the Printful themselves. So if your store has any different currency other than this currency, then actually this settings and the function will not work. So we'll have to set out the currency settings. So let's click here. It will actually let you go to the eCommerce, then settings, following by the general settings. Okay, from here you can actually change your store currency. So let's select the USD. Okay, now we are good to go. Now if you go to Dokan and then settings, we can see all the notice has gone, right? Now we need to actually connect the Printful with our vendor, with our admin dashboard. You can see we have a helpful documentation from here. If we click on there, it will redirect to the documentation page. From here, you can have the details documentation of the module, how you can enable the admin stuff, the vendor settings, and how you can actually create the product from Printful as well. Now, if we click here, we can see we have to actually provide some information to the Printful dashboard, and then we have to put the client ID and the secret key here. Okay, so to create an app, actually you can see here we have actually directed the link here. If we click create an app, it will take you to the developers.printful.com login page. So since I'm already logged in, probably it will just redirect it to the Printful dashboard. Okay, from here we can actually create the public app. So if we click on create an app, we'll have to provide the app name here. So just a heads up, so while you are providing the app name, make sure that you do not use the Printful word, because it is prohibited by the Printful themselves. If you write anything like Printful, then it will not work on the vendor dashboard. Okay, so you'll have to provide the app name here, then the contact email. Okay, so by default it says store level access. You'll have to provide the app URL. If we go to the admin dashboard, we can see we have by default the app URL here. We'll just need to copy and then paste it, the app URL here. Then we can see there are another setting that's called redirects domain. Okay, so if we click add a redirects domain, then we can see there is an input box will appear, and we'll have to set the redirects URL from here. You just need to copy the redirects domain and then just paste it, this input box. Okay, from the scope box, make sure that you check all the available checkbox from here. Then if you click the create app, it will create an app in your Printful. Okay, so since I have an app created already, so let's go there. I have created an app that's called Yasin app. So this is my app name, Yasin app, the contact email. Okay, so this is the app URL that I have already set. Then redirection domain. I have selected all the scopes. After creating the app, I got the client ID. Here is my client ID. Okay, and the secret key. Actually, by default, it's hidden. So if you reset the key, it will reset again, and you need to just copy the next secret key and then paste it there. Okay, but when you create the app, it will automatically create the client ID and client secret on behalf of you. So now we have already set up the admin end. We can now check the size guide setting. Actually, what is the size guide pop-up title? We will take a look when we will go to the vendor dashboard, that what is size guides. The text color will be the pop-up background color, the size guide tab background color, and size guide button text. What will be the size guide button text, size guide, or anything else you would like to introduce on your marketplace? Okay, then after setting all this setting from here, then you need to click save changes. So now we have set up the admin end. Now we will check how it looks like from the vendor end. Okay, so I have already opened another window from here. So you can see this is the dashboard settings. And now if we go to the settings from here, let me from here, now you can see there is a submenu that's called Printful. Okay, we are getting this. Actually, this is a message that when the Printful integration, the vendor actually the responsible for shipping arrangement and for every single product that he owns, and also the vendor needs to actually confirm that his Printful dashboard billing method and the currency is set actually according to the marketplace currency setting. Okay, so I have already Printful integration connected. So let me disconnect it and then connect it again with you. Okay, so I have actually disconnected my Printful integration. Now if we click on connect with Printful, we can see it ask for the authorization. Okay, so we can see I have already the app redirected to previously. That's why I'm selected yes in app, then authorize. Okay, now you are good to go. You are now able to create any product from the Printful dashboard. So what is shipping settings? Okay, Printful shipping method. If you enable this, then Printful will show the shipping rates, okay, based on the customer location in the checkout page. And if you have something in your marketplace shipping method, like you'd like to charge from your marketplace, then you can enable it. Like you have vendor shipping or table shipping or anything else, then this two method will appear simultaneously from the cart page and checkout page. And if you disable this, then only the shipping method provided by the Printful will appear on the checkout page. We will look it out. Now, in order to create any product from the Printful dashboard, we'll go to the dashboard again. Now you can see here's another menu that's called Printful, right? If we click on Printful, it will redirect us to a page from where we can actually create the product from Printful dashboard. You don't need to create any Printful product from vendor dashboard because it's automatically connected via webhook. So when you create the product from Printful, it will be appear in the product section of the vendor dashboard. So now let's click on add products. Okay, you can only create those products that is actually available in the Printful, because the inventory, the product will be managed by the Printful themselves. So you actually cannot product your custom product from your end, right? From here, you can actually filter which types of product you would like to create. Like if you would like to create category like unisex product that's available for both male and female, you can create them. And if you would like to create the product that's only available for hats, then you can also choose the hat filter. Okay, even you can choose the technique, the color, which of the color you would like to showcase in the vendor dashboard on the marketplace. So let's create a product. Actually, we have some different filters as well. You can see there are filter called bestseller. So whichever item is best selling in the Printful platform, you can actually create the product and sell from your online store. So let's create this product, unisex staple t-shirt, because it's a best seller product. So let's create it. Okay, now we can actually select how many of the color you would like to provide in the variation. So let's select 4 color. Okay, and what is the size you would like to offer from your marketplace? So we will offer small, medium, and large. Okay, now you can actually put your own design from here. We can actually upload our own design, but since we have some sample files, we will work on there. So let's choose this one. Okay, looks good. Now you can actually design it here from, you can actually add your text, you can actually add from here an emoji. Okay, so it's up to you and your vendor. So let's continue. Okay, you can choose the basic mockup and you can actually choose your own custom mockup. So let's choose the basic mockup. Now you can see how it looks like. Okay, with all the variation, you can review the mockup design. So what is gonna be the title of this product? Okay, we will unisex t-shirt. Okay, now here you can see we have 3 variation: small, medium, and large. Okay, for small, the price started with 11.25 to 11.75, and you can see what the price will show in your marketplace. Okay, so it says 13. So if you choose 13, then you can earn up to $1.25 to $1.75. So if we increase the value from here, okay, so the price started from 13 to 21. So now we can actually earn from $9.25 to $9.75. Okay, for large, we will earn some extra money. Now we can save the product. The product is now creating and it will be available in your vendor dashboard within few seconds. Okay, it takes some time because it's connected with webhook, so took some time. And if we go to the product section, we can see, oh, wow, it's online actually. So let's view it. Okay, the product is now online. You can see from here. Okay, he is the seller of this product. We have the variation of small, we have the variation of medium, we have the variation of large. Okay, and the product actually started with 21 to $22. Now you can see the 3 product is drafted because we have disconnected our vendor dashboard from Printful previously. That's why we will make it online right now. Okay, so we have 4 products from Printful that is actually available in our vendor dashboard. Okay, so if we check this from incognito, we have 4 products: fisherman beanie, short sleeve t-shirt, unisex Columbia soft shell jacket, and unisex t-shirt. Okay, now any customer can actually order any product from your site and the order will go to the Printful. Now let's move on and create a practical order. Okay, so we will select the raspberry with the large. Click on add to cart. So we redirect it to the cart page. We can see this are the shipping method that's provided by the Printful themselves. Okay, so the charge will be 7.28 or 7.19 along with the product price. Let's go for checkout. Okay. So we are actually creating an order. So I provided the first name, last name. Actually, this is a dummy order. That's why. So the country is Australia. Street address, I selected Australia. Then state, New South Wales. Then postcode. Just provided the random phone number. Then email address. testmail.com. Okay. We will pay with the credit card. Actually, this is a test account of Stripe. And we'll put the C code here. So now we are going to actually order a product from Printful. So let's click on place order. Okay, the order has been received. Now, if we check the vendor dashboard, we can see we received an order 20 seconds ago. Okay, the order total 29 along with the delivery charge. Okay. Now we will check from the Printful dashboard that how the order looks like. It will probably take some time to appear the order here because since it's connected with webhook. Oh no, it actually appeared. Okay, so this is the order and the order status is failed because we haven't actually added any payment method from the Printful dashboard. We'll have your vendor will need to add their payment method from here. And then they can actually add the billing method so that whenever a order comes to their dashboard, the Printful can deduct the money from their credit card and then process the order. If you go to the order, still we have another option to confirm the order. If we select on confirm the order, now we can actually pay to Printful that we have got an order and yes, please proceed with the shipping. So we can actually pay via some method if we click on pay securely now. Okay, this is how actually the Printful integration work. This is hassle-free for your vendor. They just need to connect their vendor dashboard with Printful integration. Create the product from Printful and then just manage everything from order section. No need to worry about that. No hassle-free integration. This is how you can actually enable the Printful and create the print on demand marketplace on your site. Thank you from my side.
Well, thank you, Yasin, for a beautiful demonstration. So we had a question, and this came from Rabishad about how much time it takes for the Printful product to sync with Dokan. Can you just explain us about this?
Sure. Okay, thanks for the question, Rabishad. Actually, it happens on the time. Whenever you create the product, it will automatically add it in the vendor dashboard, but based on the variation. If you have variation like 50 plus variation in your products, then probably it will take some time like 20 seconds or up to 50 seconds, and after that it will automatically add it in the vendor dashboard. But if you have product like one or two variation, as you can see, as you have already seen in the live, that whenever you create the product, it was just three variation and it has automatically added just on the time. So it will not take much time. uh, More or less within 1 minute it will be added in the vendor dashboard.
Well, that's so cool, and one of the question arises that, as we know that integrations might take some moment, or there are some dependencies. So, is there any technical dependencies to use this module?
Actually, there is no technical dependency. Just you need to make sure there is true currency match with the Printful currency. Okay, and you need to take care that the vendor actually make sure that they do not select any product after creating the product from Printful, because actually when you delete the product or edit any product, it will not have any impact in the Printful. But if you edit or delete the product from there, then it will have impact in the vendor dashboard.
All right. One more question is that, as we all know that Printful, it is a global market, right? So if I am from Africa or Asia or America or any other region, so can I sell global, and can I go global with this kind of products? And can I build actually a global Printful print on demand marketplace?
Yes, for sure. You can actually create a global marketplace as well as your currency is matching with the Printful currency. Okay. So that actually admin and vendor can create product and make the integration happen, because Printful actually ship over the world via their shipping method. So there is no barrier between creating a marketplace globally with Printful.
So thank you, Yasin, and I hope that whoever is watching us today, and will be watching this live session, I think it will be very helpful for them to setting up all the settings, and go live with print on demand marketplace, because as we all know that this was a very much very much we were actually waiting for this feature for a very long time, and users were seeking, and they are very happy with this feature, and we have heard them all, and bring these features to them. So I hope they will explore the features, and they'll let us know that how they love, what they love about this product, and about this feature actually. So before I signing off, I would like to tell you all that print on demand marketplace is a next big thing that is coming up, and as we actually understand that print on demand marketplaces carried low barrier to entry. It has the flexibility to customization. It has scalability, and it don't have any risk migration, or and it has a lucrative market potential also, as well as if you have token, you will get the multi-vendor opportunities as well. So you can actually bring all the vendors from around the world, whoever is selling Printful products. You can invite them all in your marketplace and let them sell. And with those sales, you can earn exclusive commissions. So before signing off, I would like to hear from Yasin Arafat, and would like to hear his closing voice.
Thank you for giving me the floor again, Rad. So, actually, you're right. Printful is a demanding marketplace over the world. Okay, so if you enable the integration between the Dokan and Printful, the admin will just need to work so that their marketplace become popular in their region. Okay, like if the marketplace has decent amount of traffic, they can actually acquire more and more vendors, and vendor will see that we can actually gather the product from print on demand and sell online. okay, without any hassle. That's why I believe anyone who would like to achieve a great success in business on the of print on demand, they definitely try out the Dokan Printful integration. Thank you.
And one more thing that I'd like to add, and that is, as you all know, that holiday season is going, and we have a special promotion ongoing on Dokan Multi-Vendor. As you all can see that we are giving up to 35% discount on Dokan Multi-Vendor. And you can go to our website, dokan.co/WordPress, and you can avail this discount as well. So, and also about the documentation part, if you need any assistant or if you need to see all the documentations and our resources, you can directly go to dokan.co/docs, and you will find all the information there as well. And if you love our community, and if you want to see our channel, you can also go to YouTube and search Dokan Multi-Vendors as well. And thanks to all the global marketplace entrepreneurs, whoever is using our product. And as you all know that over 50,000 people are actually using Dokan marketplace. Is not actually the people's, it's the entrepreneurs or the marketplace owners as well, and they have a lot of vendors. And if you want to come into our community, if you want to join our community, please visit our community page. As you can see that we have a community here, and that is Dokan Multi-Vendor. You can search it on Facebook as well. And if you love our session, please do like, share, and comment. And if you have any questions, do drop in the comment section. We'll love to answer them all in the future. And thank you for joining us today. I hope you all will have a great holiday, and we'll come with you new sessions. And please don't forget, we are listening to you guys. If you guys have any feature request, any kind of questions, or anything you have to say, do drop in the comment. We'll come with all the solutions to you all. So we're signing off today. We'll see you later in some next webinar. So till then, take care. Bye bye.